Hello everyone, I'm Jim, part of the product team here at Blindster.com. I'd like to share with you our deluxe fabric roller shades, available in both light filtering and blackout. If I had to describe these shades in 2 words, it would be affordable style. Let's take a look and see if you agree. As I mentioned, our deluxe fabric roller shades have a blackout and a light filtering version, depending on whether you would like to heavily dim the room or just soften the incoming light. Blackout shades are a great choice for bedrooms to really darken the room for better sleep, or anywhere that too much outside light is a nuisance. Light filtering shades work well anywhere in the house as they provide privacy while still letting diffuse light pass through the shade. The fabric on both versions has a subtle woven texture. In the window, it has the look of a soft linen fabric, but since it's 100% polyester, it's durable and easy to clean. The color choices are the same in both light filtering and blackout, which lets you have the same color shades throughout your home, but choose the opacity for each room as needed. Note that the light filtering fabric is the same color on both sides of the shade, while the blackout fabric has a white acrylic backing that is completely opaque. When it comes to operating the deluxe fabric roller shades, there are a few options. The first is the cordless lift option that has a spring mechanism inside the shade. Just tug the shade to release the tension and the shade will raise. Just pull it back down again and the tension will re-engage and the shade will stay. Cordless is the best choice for homes with small children and pets since there are no dangling cords, plus you get an uncluttered look in the window. The best part is that cordless is a free option on our deluxe fabric shades instead of an upgrade. The second option is the beaded chain, which is great for large or difficult to reach windows where a cordless shade might not be practical. Pull either side of the loop chain to raise or lower the shade. You can also opt for the motorized lift option that features a rechargeable battery and easy operation via remote control. With a push of a button, you can operate your shades from the couch or across the room. There are a couple other options to help you customize the perfect shade for your window. One is the cassette valance option. I really like this feature as it covers the roller tube and mounting brackets and provides a finished designer look to the shade. The other option is roll orientation. On a standard roll, the fabric comes off the back side of the roll, which puts the fabric close to the window for better light blocking. Although on blackout shades, you'll see the white backing of the fabric if you don't have the cassette. The reverse roll option has the fabric come off the front of the shade for a clean, uniform appearance and to help avoid obstructions in the window like protruding latches or cranks. However, since the fabric sits further from the window glass, there may be a little more light wrapping around the sides of the shade. The best thing about these shades is their affordable price and great value. You get a stylish looking fabric, free cordless lift if you so choose, and designer touches like the cassette option, all without breaking the bank. One thing I want to mention about roller shades in general is that they have a slightly wider gap on the sides of the shade versus some other styles of window blinds. With roller shades, the fabric roll connects into the mounting brackets on either side of the shade, so there is some additional space required between the edge of the fabric and the edge of the window opening for the brackets to hold the fabric roll in place and for the fabric roll to rotate as the shade moves. So instead of a 1/8 or 1/4 inch gap like on wood blinds and cellular shades, roller shades usually have about a 5/8 or 3/4 inch gap on each side, and it's just an inherent characteristic of their design. So you'll have a little more indirect light visible on the sides of these shades. This will be most noticeable on blackout shades, where the light is completely blocked against the shade, but a soft glow of light will be visible in the space between the shade and the window casing. If you need maximum light blocking, you can consider an outside mount shade that completely covers the window, or adding drapery panels to help cover the gaps and provide an attractive layered look in the window. With their affordable style, our deluxe fabric roller shades are the type of product that we love here at Blindster.com. Just let us know if you have any questions and we'll be happy to help.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.